Hey guys, welcome back to Detroit Garage. Just a little update on Allis here with the 253 in it. It's just past the 45-hour mark since the swap, and thought I'd give you guys a quick update. It's running really nice. Haven't really touched it to speak of. Nothing's gone wrong. There are a few hydraulic leaks that I need to address here in the future, but they're just minimal kind of weeps. But the little Detroits run sweet. Yeah, so 45.5 hours on it now since I swapped it, and it's running perfect. There's been no issues to speak of. The only thing I've done, I added a bypass filter and a catch can for the air box. So that's the collector can now. And then I drain this every 10 hours or so. And that way it keeps my floor dry. I don't have any little witness marks from Jimmy when I start him up with the air box venting on the floor. And that's it. It's running beautiful. I use them mainly for shop work, moving this drum around every weekend. The boat, I bring the boat in from time to time, and I use him to move the boat around. And of course the Diamond T, I move him in and out with Jimmy. And until I get power in this, I have to use a forklift. So yeah, really nice. Other than he's a bit vocal, I haven't got a muffler on him yet. So I think I'll address that in the future. But for now, I'll just use them. Maybe paint job in the future to make Alice look pretty again. She's getting beat up, but she's used weekly, sometimes daily. So we'll fire little Jimmy up for you and go pick up that trailer. I got to do some work on the boat, and thought I'd update you on the progress of little Jimmy here. Well, there you have it, guys. That's just a quick update. 1965 Allis Chalmers and 1958 Detroit 253, and running really happy. It's running really nice, other than being a little bit vocal. That's about the only drawback with little Jimmy. He's awfully vocal, but I'll address that in the future. I'll put a muffler, stuff a muffler in there somewhere. But for now, he's just used and abused. So there you have it, guys. That's a quick update for you. And again, thanks for checking in, and we'll catch you on the next video. Take care.